Hey PS5 gamers, welcome back. So do you need to unlink your Microsoft account from your PS5? Maybe for Minecraft or Forza? It's a tricky one, but I've got the latest steps to sort it out. So your Microsoft account links to PSN for games like Minecraft or Sea of Thieves, syncing progress in or online play. Problem: unlinking is permanent for some titles and you can only relink the same account. No swaps. Want to free it up? Check the game first. So for example, for Minecraft, launch the game on your PS5, go to settings, profile, look for the sign out or unlink Microsoft account at the bottom left, confirm the warning, it'll log you out, done. For Forza Horizon 5, boot it up, hit settings, account, and select unlink Microsoft account. Warning: progress might stay tied to that account. And now lastly, if you don't have a in-game option, you need to go to the PS5 settings, after that users and accounts, linked devices. Scroll for Microsoft or the game's name. If it's there, select it and unlink. If it's missing, the link's game specific, so contact support.playstation.com or Xbox support with your PSN and Microsoft IDs. They'll guide you, but it's hit or miss. And that's it, Microsoft is now unlinked from your PS5. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. If you enjoyed such tutorial, please like the video and subscribe. See you very soon.